Hello, knowledge lovers. Today, I'm bringing you a special review of the best Black Friday 2026 courses with a selection that blends technology, data, design, and creativity. All offer their respective completion certification and are 100% online, so you can study them from any country and at your own pace. The links to access these courses are in the video description. Let's get started. 1. Data analysis. Google. This professional certificate takes you from zero to analyst. Data organization, cleansing, exploratory analysis, and visualization with spreadsheets, SQL, and dashboard tools. You'll learn how to define business problems, select metrics, and present findings that drive decisions. It includes practical projects with real datasets and a portfolio ready to apply for entry-level roles. You'll see good documentation and quality assurance practices that teams value on a daily basis. 2. Cybersecurity. Google, focused on junior SOC-type roles. You'll cover the fundamentals of networks, systems, vulnerability management, SIEM monitoring, and basic incident response. You'll also cover concepts of cryptography, access control, and hardening. You'll build professional artifacts, risk reports, playbooks, and alert investigation exercises, ideal for your first step in security with a clear methodological framework. 3. User experience, UX design. Google, learn to create useful and usable products with user research, personas, journey maps, wireframes, and prototypes using current tools. Practical usability testing and narratives connect design decisions with business objectives. You'll finish with a portfolio of 3 complete projects to demonstrate process and judgment, not just pretty screens. 4. Prompting fundamentals for AI. Google. This course focuses on how to provide clear instructions for generative models. You'll explore quick patterns, task analysis, tone/style control, and strategies to improve response fidelity. Includes use cases in productivity, text analysis, and creative support. Sales, with reusable guides of guidelines and criteria for evaluating security and quality. 5. Full-stack software developer. IBM intensive path that combines front-end and back-end. You learn to work with repositories, tests, and basic CI/CD pipelines. Build several mini applications and an integrative project with authentication, CRUD, and cloud deployment. Perfect for establishing yourself as a junior with visible deliverables. 6. Python for Everyone, University of Michigan. A must-have classic, syntax, data structures, web access, file and database management. You focus on writing clean, useful code to automate tasks or analyze information. It culminates with a capstone where you collect, process, and visualize data. Solid for those coming from Excel and looking to move to reproducible workflows in Python. Pause here to tell you that if you're interested in taking all these courses, you don't have to pay for each one, since by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, you can access them and more than 7,000 certifications, making it the best option for learning about technology. However, if you're more passionate about the arts or creative topics in general, I recommend Domestika Plus, which has access to more than 1,000 excellent courses of this type. If you're interested, I'll leave the links to both platforms with the best price in the description. 7. Canva from 0 to 100. Create professional designs. Domestika, you'll learn composition, typography, color, and how to adapt pieces for social media, presentations, and personal brands. The method focuses on speed with quality and visual consistency. The final project is usually a complete visual kit ready to publish and reuse. 8. Portrait notebook. Explore the human face. Domestika. You'll learn proportions, fit, light, and shadow in a notebook format to take away the fear of the blank page. You'll practice a variety of materials and gesture exercises to gain confidence. You'll end up with a coherent sketchbook and a practice routine that accelerates the improvement of your stroke and observation. 9. Learn to make candles. Step by step. Beginner's Guide. Domestika. Practical course to turn an idea into a product. Waxes, wicks, fragrances, color, and home safety. You'll learn to calculate proportions and avoid common mistakes. Includes packaging and product presentation. Useful if you want to sell or give away professionally finished pieces. 10. Digital marketing from scratch for entrepreneurs and freelancers. Domestika. guides you through the value proposition, ideal client, content, and low-budget campaigns. You'll see key metrics to help you decide where to invest your time and money. At the end, you'll have an actionable quarterly plan and templates for an editorial calendar and landing pages. 11. Using ChatGPT for work. Domestika applied AI tricks for productivity. Summarizing, ideating, correcting, structuring, and documenting. You'll learn to prompt with context, roles, and formats, and to review output with a critical eye. The goal is to save hours a week on repetitive tasks and improve the quality of your written and research deliverables. 12. Creating and editing content for Instagram stories. Domestika scriptwriting, recording, and agile vertical editing. You'll cover pacing, transitions, subtitles, and calls to action without overloading. You'll leave with a styled template and a package of themed stories optimized for retention and response. Remember that these courses can be obtained without a one-time payment for each course if you choose a subscription. Coursera Plus gives you access to more than 7,000 courses and professional certifications within its catalog, preferably for technology courses. Domestika Plus offers access to more than 1,000 creative courses through its subscription model. If you're interested in any of these platforms, choose the one that best suits your plan. Remember, you'll find links to both with the best prices in the description. See you next time, knowledge lovers.